Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Jenny, if you don't know me, and I hope you're having a wonderful week. As I told you guys, I was moving to another state and I'm now in Cairns, Queensland, Australia. Beautiful weather, 26 degrees, amazing for holidays, guys. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I make lentils. This recipe is pretty easy to make and you only need these ingredients. You will be using a big onion, 4 potatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, and a piece of ginger, is a piece of turmeric, and I'm gonna use as well 400 ml of coconut cream and salt, black pepper, and the ground cayenne pepper as well to make it spicy. Yeah, so let's start chopping these ingredients. Onion is making me cry. Oh, I just remind you guys, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to do it. It's important. Thank you so much for supporting me and I really appreciate that. Okay guys, so once all the ingredients are chopped, we want to preheat the pot with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oils. And then we're gonna fry this for maybe 3 to 4 minutes. So guys, after 4 minutes, we're gonna wash really well our lentils and we have to add it into our pot with the rest of the ingredients. And after this, guys, we have to fry maybe the same time, like 3 to 4 minutes with the lentils. Alright, so then we need to cover our lentils with water and then we're gonna cook this for about 15-20 minutes. You have to check till they're ready and then we can add our coconut cream. So guys, I'm forgetting something very important. So before you put the water, it's important to put the spices. And but doesn't matter, I can put it now. It's not a big deal. And yeah, I'm gonna put the salt and black pepper and the ground cayenne pepper. So guys, also you can add any spices you prefer. So I add this one because it's very easy, but you can add oregano, cumin is really nice as well for the lentils. And yeah, so it's up to you. So after 15-20 minutes, we're gonna add our coconut cream. Alright guys, lentils are ready and I make rice on the side. Yes, I'm gonna just start serving in our plates for me and for my friends who is a special guest today. I'm gonna start putting some spinach on the side and I'm gonna put some rice on the side as well. You like a bit or
I like rice a lot.
Alright, who doesn't like rice is a loser. Lentils. Lentils are life. I love lentils with tomatoes as well. It's really nice. This food reminds me home. You know, like we always
Yeah,
cooking
lentils.
grains and
Beans.
Exactly. And I'm gonna put some capsicum that I chop in here inside, and I'm gonna just add some lemon. This is lemon or lime?
Well, in Colombia is lemon, here is lime.
For lemon and lime is just lemon.
The yellow one in Colombia, the yellow one is lime.
Yeah. Serve it, and then we just gonna try this. We start with the lemons.
All right.
Like we put it on top to activate the iron from the lentils and the spinach. That's important. Vitamin C with iron.
Okay.
It's very convenient to do that. This smells so nice. Right?
Smells good.
Wow. The coconut cream.
Yeah, you can feel it. You can definitely feel the coconut. And it definitely reminds me
Wow.
of
Reminds you what?
home.
Home. Exactly.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. I think about the salt, you can add more salt if you like salty. Guys, literally this is so good. You have to make this recipe at least twice a week. It's really important to get protein from lentils or iron. This meal is full of nutrients. Like, it's very, very healthy. You want to say something?
I want to say thank you. Thank you for having me today on your video. It was super fun to spend the day with you and make this beautiful meal. So I appreciate it, and I want to enjoy it.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much, Davey. I'm so happy to have you in here.
Thanks.
And thank you for helping me. Guys, we're gonna enjoy this, and please, if you like this video, share with your family, with your friends, and thank you so much for clicking and watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Bye.